Hello everyone. In today's time, our days are getting even more hectic and full of chaos. The reason being the workload and all those ever increasing responsibilities. No, don't be sad. We have an expert solution to all your problems. We have some extremely wonderful magical oils that will calm you from inside, reducing your anxiety and bring positivity to your life. Yes, I am talking about essential oils. In this video, I am going to talk about this 100% natural essential orange oil brought to you by Noveni. And guess what? This oil straight away comes from Brazil. Noveni always believes to provide best for its customers. This oil is obtained by the method of steam distillation, means no harmful chemicals are used. This oil include many properties as antidepressant, antiseptic, carminative and relaxing property. So in this video you are going to learn all the unknown facts of essential orange oil of Noveni. The cheerful, fresh and uplifting aroma of this sweet orange oil has ability to balance your body and mind. So I am gonna show 5 ways how you can avail the benefit from this sweet orange oil. Number 1. Orange oil has an excellent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property which helps in controlling the acne. For this, dilute the essential oil in aloe vera gel. I have taken aloe vera gel from fresh leaves. You can also take customized aloe vera gel which is easily available on market. Just add few drops to aloe vera gel and apply it to your affected area before going to bed every day, like this. And you will feel a natural change in your skin. Number 2. For flawless hair growth and preventing fungal infection, just add few drops of orange oil while applying your regular shampoo or conditioner whenever you wash your hair, and you got to see the results after 2 to 3 washes. 3. Refreshing aroma. The fresh and tangy scent of orange oil also invigorates and sharpens our senses. For this there are 2 ways. Firstly, you can diffuse at home by making a blend. For this, just add few drops of orange oil, and you can also use peppermint oil, grapeseed oil, which are also available in Noveni. Noveni has a wide variety of essential and carrier oils. And make a perfect diffuser blend with water and enjoy the cooling, refreshing vapors to your house, to your office or even in class. Secondly, you can also add it to your shower gel for a tension reducing and relaxed bath. Number 4. Orange oil provides hydration and lock moisture for soft and nourished lips. For this, just take your regular lip balm and add few drops of orange oil to it, like this. 1 drop of orange oil and apply it to your lips, like this. And keep it as long as you can and repeat it daily. Number 5. So orange oil also helps in skin lightening, as it also reduces the inflammation and treat dry skin. So for this you can take coconut oil, almond oil or even olive oil. So here I am taking coconut oil and just add few drop of orange oil to it, and with your fingers apply it to your skin like this in a circular upward motion. And get your skin clear and radiant free. Now the most important part of the video. I wanted to make you aware of all the precautions and safety measures you should take before using this oil. Number 1. You should always remember this is an essential oil and it should never be used directly to your skin, to your body. You should always use diluted essential oils. Say you can mix it with coconut oil, almond oil and any other. Number 2. Though the use of this oil is completely safe, but I recommend you to always consult an expert advice because it may vary from skin to skin and any other multiple factors. Number 3. If you are already suffering from any kind of disease, never use this oil without any expert supervision. Number 4. All the pregnant and breastfeeding mothers should take extra care and never use this oil without any expert supervision. So here I am ending this video. If you have any question regarding this, you can comment below. Thank you.